Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on business communication, also known as professional communication. This is part first. Now come to the question. Question number 1. The term communist derived from dash word: A. Greek, B. Latin, C. Chinese, D. English. Correct option is B. Latin. 2. Communication means dash information, feeling and thoughts with others. A. To receive, B. Exchange of, C. Conveying, D. All the above. Correct option is B. Exchange of. 3. Grapevine communication is associated with dash communication. A. Formal, B. Informal, C. Horizontal, D. Vertical. The correct option is B. Informal. 4. Lateral communication is between A. Superior and subordinate, B. Same cadre of personnel, C. Subordinate and superior, D. Among all. Correct option is B. Same cadre of personnel. 5. Audio-visual communication combines A. Auditory only, B. Visual only, C. Both auditory and visual, D. Written. Correct option is C. Both auditory and visual. 6. Communication problems otherwise known as A. Enquire, B. Barriers, C. Encoding, D. Decoding. Correct option is B. Barriers. 7. Posters fall under dash communication. A. Oral, B. Visual, C. Written, D. Spoken. Correct option is B. Visual. 8. Informal communication is otherwise known as dash communication. A. Grapevine, B. Lateral, C. Visual, D. Horizontal. Correct option is A. Grapevine. 9. Horizontal communication flows through dash A. Face-to-face discussion, B. Telephonic talk, C. Periodical meeting, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. 10. Gestural communication is a dash A. Non-verbal message, B. Direct conversation, C. Oral communication, D. Written. Correct option is A. Non-verbal message. 11. Physical barriers to communication are dash A. Time and distance, B. Interpretation of words, C. Denotations, D. Connotations. Correct option is A. Time and distance. 12. Communication is derived from a Latin word communis, which means A. Community, B. Share, C. Common, D. Marxist. Correct option is B. Share. 13. Communication starts with A. Encoding, B. Sender, C. Channel, D. Feedback. Correct option is B. Sender. 14. The number of key elements in communication process is A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 4. Correct option is A. 5. 15. The two broad areas of communication are A. Oral and written communication, B. Verbal and written communication, C. Verbal and non-verbal communication, or D. Oral and non-verbal communication. Correct option is C. Verbal and non-verbal communication. 16. Which of the following combination is oblique are example or examples of oral communication? A. Meetings, memos and presentations, B. Meetings, memos and performance reviews, C. Meetings, presentations and performance reviews, or D. All. Correct option is C. Meetings, presentations and performance reviews. 17. Which of the following combination is oblique are example or examples of written communication? A. Letters and voicemail, B. Reports and email, C. Circulars and voicemail, D. All of the above. Here correct option is B. Reports and email. 18. Orders and directives are example of A. Downward communication, B. Upward communication, C. Diagonal communication, or D. Horizontal communication. Correct option is A. Downward communication. 19. Communication between HR manager and salesman is an example of A. Horizontal communication, B. Lateral communication, C. Diagonal communication, or D. Vertical communication. Correct option is C. Diagonal communication. 20. Diagonal communication is also known as A. Cross word communication, B. Horizontal communication, C. Vertical, or D. Any of the above. Correct option is A. Cross word communication. 21. Communication between HR manager and finance manager is an example of A. Downward communication, B. Upward communication, C. Diagonal communication, or D. Horizontal communication. Correct option is D. Horizontal communication. 22. Downward communication and upward communication are A. Of vertical communication, B. Horizontal communication, D. Diagonal communication, or C or D. None. Correct option is A. Vertical communication. 23. Placement of purchase order to supplier of material is dash communication. A. Vertical communication, B. Horizontal communication, C. Internal communication, or D. External communication. Correct option is D. External communication. 24. Receiving a sales order is an example of A. Vertical communication, B. Horizontal communication, C. Internal communication, or D. External communication. Correct option is D. External communication. 25. Dash communication can be inward or outward. A. Vertical communication, B. Horizontal communication, C. Internal communication, or D. External communication. Correct option is D. External communication. 26. Functional coordination is one important reason for communicating with A. Superiors, B. Peers, C. Subordinates, or D. Employees unions. Correct option is B. Peers. 27. Communication with superiors involves A. Directions, B. Orders, C. Complaints, D. Instructions. Correct option is C. Complaints. 28. Listening has been identified as one of the 7 habits of highly effective people by A. Landstein, B. Stephen Covey, C. Lee Iacocca, D. Tom Peters. Correct option is B. Stephen R. Covey. 29. The most basic type of listening is known as A. Discriminative listening, B. Comprehension listening, C. Appreciative listening, or D. Evaluative listening. Correct option is A. Discriminative listening. 30. Dialogic listening is also known as A. Empathetic listening, B. Therapeutic listening, C. Relational listening, D. Active listening. Correct option is D. Active listening. So this is all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needing now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.